Are you becoming disinterested in your phone? Are you just receiving some dull alerts that are utterly uninteresting? Do you want to make a difference, but you're unsure how to do it? What if I told you that you would be able to get many notifications by watching this video? You may make more than $50 in just a few clicks if you get payment alerts and play notifications. With the new money-making approach that I will teach you in this video, you can start earning money right now. I can promise you that this procedure is 100% legal, 100% successful, and most importantly, 100% completely free of charge. Today, I have some new applications that you will learn about in this video. They are as easy to download as a single click and as simple to log into as another. And just like that, you're on your way to earning a substantial amount of money online. Even if you live on one of the world's 7 continents, you may utilize this approach since it is generally accessible from anywhere. Because of it, it is freely available to anybody. With all of these resources at hand, there are no words to describe how incredible this method of earning money online is. And the most astonishing thing is that I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So please bear with me to the very end. And make sure you don't skip forward in this video to avoid losing out on any crucial details. That is crucial if you want to generate more money online quickly and effortlessly. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online, and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, leave some comments below. Now, let's get back to the video. I want you to go to a website called instagc.com, where you can just download the app on your phone and then make money as quickly as counting to 23. Because this app is widely accessible on both mobile device, software, and operating systems, you may use it on any phone that you have access to. Moreover, it makes no difference whether it runs on iOS or Android devices, since it will function flawlessly. If there's something that's bothering you, even for a short time, you can visit their Facebook page, where you will see hundreds of reviews shared by other people worldwide. For example, if you're a little skeptical about the legitimacy and completeness of this app, you can visit their Facebook page, where you will see hundreds of reviews shared by other people all over the world. Most importantly, you may see a large number of payment proofs that have been provided to people all around the globe, demonstrating that this technique is entirely authentic. What's even better about this is that you may use a variety of payment ways to collect the money you've earned, including PayPal and bank transfer. You can claim your earnings for any other payment method that you like and are compatible with this app. Please feel free to visit their Facebook page to get all of the information you may be missing and reduce your stress. So let us return to the web page for a while. As a result, InstaGC is a blend of two concepts, Instant and GC, which stands for gift cards. As a result, you may obtain gift cards quickly for participating in online activities such as completing surveys, viewing movies, purchasing online, and surfing the internet. While there are many other options available, I favor the one that allows me to just be lazy after accessing the link, which is watching movies. Since the technique of making money online, watching a movie is relatively simple. You have to play the video, put your device aside, and then return to your routine, maybe even doing something enjoyable. The good news is that all of these approaches are so simple that you can do them with only one hand, such as searching the internet or completing surveys. But allow me to offer you a little suggestion. Increase your profits by completing the procedures all at once. This will enable you to optimize your time allocating while increasing your earnings. It is possible to watch a video on your smartphone while still having the flexibility to go and explore the other techniques simultaneously. And it is a well-guarded secret that I have only revealed to you. As a result, be sure you use it most effectively. To participate in InstaGC, you must first create an account. You have to go to their social media profiles on Facebook and Twitter, or just search for them on Google. The following step is relatively self-explanatory, since all you have to do is sign up and register for an account by entering some personal information about yourself. I'll now go to the second website that I'll be sharing with you today. It's referred to as AppKarma. Again, you may access this from any device you own or like to use, since it's pretty compatible with iOS and Android-based mobile devices and tablets. As a result, AppKarma is another cost-free and straightforward option to generate money online. However, you will have a good time playing several games if you use this website. Afterward, you'll be paid by PayPal or gift cards, depending on your preference. Simply clicking the download button will get you an immediate 300 points, which can be redeemed for $1. Remember that 100 points are the same as $1, so get in on the action while still fresh. For every 300 points, you will get the quickest $3 you've ever received in your whole life. A new opportunity to earn more income is available with this app, and the way to do it is to invite people to come and join you in the app. Just copy your invitation link and send it to as many people as possible, along with your referral code. You will then get a massive 30% commission depending on the profits they have generated as a result of your actions if that individual successfully joins App Karma. Consider the following scenario. If someone earns $100, you will get 30% of that amount, or $30. Do you see how simple it was? You've got to make money without doing anything demanding, time-consuming, or challenging. Please feel free to explore the app and get a quick introduction. However, you must remember to sign up every day to get daily incentives. In addition, I nearly forgot to mention that for every job you complete with success, you will be rewarded with a variety of badges, each of which will contribute to the continued growth of your account. You may earn more money as you gain more badges since the level of your prizes grows as well, which means you can make more money. Please remember to use the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're enjoying this video. Let's get back to the video. I'll show you the third application, which is called Cashkick. Cashkick, like the other applications, lets you choose from a variety of payment ways that best fit your needs. You may get your money back using various PayPal and bank transfers. They believe that money is the best reward when it comes to Cashkick, and let's face it, things do work like that. Put another way, you can make money with this app by doing surveys, discovering fantastic bargains, watching movies, and surfing the web. After all, if you genuinely think about it, these approaches are nothing more than games that we all participate in regularly. In our spare time, we all like watching videos. So now that you're aware of the situation, you may make some money out of it. Immediately, all you have to do is enter your email address and password for the sign-up procedure. To finish your registration, you'll click on the button that reads "Get Started Now," and you'll be all set to begin your money-making adventure. However, the journey does not end here, since I will show you the fourth app of the day later on. SuperPay, or the website superpay.me, is the game's name. SuperPay, in contrast to the two earlier applications, notably InstaGC and Cashkick, solely provides money for completing surveys as a means of making money. With these credentials in hand, you will not be disappointed, since over $4 million has already been paid to customers all around the globe. Furthermore, SuperPay is, without a doubt, a highly efficient means of earning extra money online. They also have some very beneficial features, such as a swift payment turnaround time of only 24 hours, a low cash-out threshold, the ability to work from the comfort of your own home, several promo codes and cash contests, the ability to complete mini paid surveys, and earn a straightforward 20 cents bonus when you sign up. Finally, but certainly not least, there will be a referral scheme that will undoubtedly be the greatest of the lot. Furthermore, SuperPay is highly handy with the external firms on their website that you can pick from to claim your money, such as PayPal, Skrill, Amazon, and a few others, all of which are available to you to claim your money. Even if you're concerned about whether or not this is true, you have nothing to worry about. SuperPay is in fact quite open, because you may see thousands of payments proofs awarded to thousands of individuals all over the world. As previously stated, they have paid a sum of $4 million. Absolutely everything about this website is in excellent functioning order. All of this sounds somewhat crazy. Just join in by clicking on the Join for You Now, and you will be led to the next page where you may complete your registration for $0. All you have to do now is provide them with your payment information so that they will know how to pay you. To agree to the terms and conditions and the privacy policy, just click on the boxes and confirm your agreement. Click on the I'm not a robot symbol, and presto, you've got yourself a free SuperPay account to enjoy. Everything is straightforward, and you can repeat the process as many times as you like, and with as many applications as you possibly can. Your earning prospects are almost limitless. The sky is the limit when it comes to what you can do. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're gonna wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. And while you're here, click to watch one of these two videos appearing on your screen. I will see you there. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.